Many customers have been coming in asking questions about turmeric or curcumin supplements. And I'm going to spend a few minutes talking about a highly absorbable, longer-acting curcumin. And we'll go into some of the reasons why this extraction is far superior to a lot of the others on the market. BCM 95 curcumin is made from the whole turmeric root, including the essential oils, which is very, very important for its activity. Curcuminoids, which are the active constituents in turmeric, and the essential oils have many, many benefits for our body. It can help with the heart, with protecting us during chemotherapy. It's being used and studied for inflammatory bowel disease. It's a great antioxidant. It's antimicrobial, antiseptic. It's an anti-inflammatory. It's very good for the liver. There's studies going on for its benefits to help prevent, and it's even being studied in the treatment of some of the cancers. There's published studies on all these different issues, on depression, colon health, memory, joint health, urinary health, as an anti-inflammatory, as far as help for a swollen prostate and even prostate cancer, breast health, and heart health. There's ongoing clinical trials both here and over in Europe for Alzheimer's, colon health, ADD, ADHD, prostate health, depression. So it's really something that most of us probably would benefit from, both as a supplement and as an adjunct to some of our therapies. BCM 95 is studied all over the world, in India, Australia, in the US, in Scotland. So it's being used and it's researched internationally. Some of the benefits of curcumin BCM 95 include breast health, colon health. It's a great anti-inflammatory for the prostate and urinary system and for mood and stress. There are great studies in the past and ongoing for antidepressant effects of curcumin. One, it's very neuroprotective. It helps protect the nervous system. It can help modify levels of neurotransmitters. It can decrease stress. It's an anti-inflammatory and an antioxidant. And all these can be beneficial for stress and depression. Now we'll talk about absorption and duration of activity. And this is where the BCM 95 curcumin is so far ahead of most of the extracts that are out there. If you look at the chart on the left, it's comparing BCM 95 blood levels and how long it stays in the blood compared to a straight turmeric extract. And the top graph, the black one, is of the BCM 95. You can see you get much higher blood levels and they maintain for up to 8 hours. Whereas in the turmeric extract, you get a peak at 2 hours and then it drops right down. On the right-hand graph, we're comparing curcumin BCM 95 with curcumin along with lecithin and pepper, the piperine. And the piperine does aid in the absorption, but as you can see, it still falls far short to the blood levels and the duration of BCM 95. And one of the problems people using turmeric or curcumin is if you don't have a good absorbable, longer-acting product, it goes through the bowel. So it can be helpful for inflammation in the bowel, but you're not going to get the systemic effects. As you can see at the bottom, BCM 95 gives you 7 times the absorption compared to normal curcumin and a little over 6 times more for curcumin with the black pepper. Again, the BCM 95 curcumin is 7 to 10 times higher absorption than regular curcumin, a good extract of curcumin. And looking at the peak plasma levels, you'll see you can get activity up to 12 hours with the BCM 95 curcumin. So it really is worth checking what you're buying and what you're taking, because while you're taking it, you might as well get the maximum bang for what you're doing. Natural Creations Bioenhanced Curcumin comes in 500 milligram soft gels. It is the BCM 95 processed turmeric, and it gives the highest blood level of any product that's been studied out there. The general dose is 1 a day. It can be taken with or after a meal, And if there is major inflammation, the dose can be increased.